Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa, be careful, Piggy. You can slip, okay? Ice is slippery. Okay? Okay, you want to break it some more? Break it. Break the ice.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. You breaking it? Oh, look, there's more over here. You want to break it? Oh, smash. What are you doing to it? What are you doing to the ice, Piggy? You breaking it?
You want to use your shovel?
Here, you want to break with the shovel? Yeah.
Wow.
Use it like a hammer.
Oh, did you fall?
Okay, be careful, okay?
Mama's here, yeah.
Oh, break.
Oh, break it.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh, you making a mess?
Oh.
Someone's going to hit me. Watch. Make sure you watch.
Coming out of the door.
Yeah.
No.
Snow. Do you like snow?
Break.
You like breaking it? Oh.
Oh.
Hey, Piggy, there's some snow up here. Look.
Whoa.
Look on the tree. Do you see the snow up here on the tree? You see it? Can you get down? There's some snow stuck in the tree.
Okay, do you want to go get Elmo DVDs?
You want to go to the library?
No.
No, you just want to break snow? Okay.